My name is Yamini Churi, class SYMMS, roll number MB21024, subsec HR Planning and Application of Technology in HR, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. My topic name is International Human Resource Management. Meaning of International Human Resource Management. International Human Resource Management refers to the process of managing human resources in a multinational organization where employees are located in different countries and operating in a complex multinational business environment. It encompasses the recruitment, selection, training, development, and management of employees across international borders. Approaches of international human resource management. Fundamentally, there have been different approaches to international human resource management. Approaches of IHRM are ethnocentric approach, polycentric approach, geocentric approach. First, ethnocentric approach. According to ethnocentric approach, organizations believe that the employees of home country nationals can perform better to fulfill the organization mission, vision, and objective. So all the key managerial position of the subsidiary are filled with expatriates from the home country. Advantages of ethnocentric approach. Organization's culture can be easily adapted to all the subsidiaries with the help of key managerial decisions such as vision, mission, and objective. Possible to eliminate communication barrier between the headquarters and subsidiaries. Proper control is possible with the ethnocentric approach. The parent company can monitor the operations of the subsidiaries effectively. Better coordination of activities between the parent company and subsidiary are possible. Disadvantage. Need to pay more for the expatriates from the home country. Cross-cultural variations may lead to clashes between the various levels of the employees. Host country national employees may get disappointed by the losing the key managerial roles. The subsidiary may lose skilled and experienced employees due to the ethnocentric approach. Expatriates from the home country may not aware of the local values and beliefs, so cultural clashes may arise and may show an effect of the business. Polycentric approach. In polycentric approach, are the key managerial position are filled with the employees of the host country nationals. Many companies are adopting this approach because they believe that host country national can help in fulfilling the objective of the organization with a better understanding of the local culture, belief, and values. Here, subsidiary is given freedom to take decision and formulate strategies according to the local business environment and vision and mission of the headquarters. Advantages. Host country managers can analyze that understand the local market and local people. Better coordination with the business environment is possible both internal and external. No difficulty arises due to the cultural issues. It creates job satisfaction and job enrichment to the host country nationals. Hiring host country national is less expensive than hiring expatriates. Local market knowledge of the host country nationals enable them to take strategic decisions. Disadvantages. It may not always create a scope of better coordination between headquarters and subsidiaries. Quick control of operations is not possible because of the key managerial position are occupied by the host country nationals. Through the host country managers follow the vision and mission of the organization. Then also error may occur in the fulfillment of the standard of organization culture. Geocentric approach. According to geocentric approach, organization hire neither the home country nationals nor the host country nationals preferably. They recruit employees on the basis of concept right person for the right job. Here, organization hire right person or suitable employee for the effective running of the business operation. Irrespective of the nationality, geocentric approach facilitates competitive advantage by hiring most talented and eligible people. Advantages of geocentric approach. The geocentric approach creates a scope of higher world-based talented and skilled employees. It facilitated competitive advantages and help in reaching the market empire position. Hiring most talented and eligible people can fulfill the objective of the organization effectively. This approach helped to reducing the unfair treatment and clashes in the organization due to the favoritism toward nationality. Disadvantages of geocentric approach. Hiring according to geocentric approach is expensive. Change of cross-culture clashes become high. It may not always facilitate better coordination and control of the organization. Difficult to monitor and control the operation. Organization need to spend more on expatriate relocation allowances. High cross-cultural variation arises. Importance of international human resource management. First, need to workplace empowerment. Throughout the world, there has been increasing emphasis on workforce empowerment, that is giving them authority matching their responsibility. India cannot tag far behind because of the international impact for workforce empowerment. There has to be change in mindset as well as there should be a changes in skill of the workforce. The role of HRM is crucial in both this respect. With the increasing role of human resource and their management, organization have accorded HRM a higher status than what we previously was. Second, reorganization. Along with the recruiting, restructuring, there has been an emphasis on reorganization too. Many companies are restructuring their organizational structure by thinking their management level and expanding the span of control. Thus, there is an emphasis on flat structure against tall structure as follows either. Third, competition of human resource. With the entry of foreign firm into the Indian industry scene, the nature of competition of human resource has changed. Foreign firm, particularly those operating in sectors such as consultancy, merchant banking, investment banking, etc., and computer software companies of Indian origin have put a lot of competition for acquiring managerial talent. Fourth, technological changes. With the removal of restriction on technology import and acquisition, many organizations have opted newer technologies. Increased use to computer has added another dimension to technological innovation. As a result, old skills are fast becoming obsolete. In their place, the organization, the operative have acquired newer skill which have increased the training need to in such organization, and HR department have to be more active. Thank you.